Guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're gonna be calling Sarah by her name to see if she answers. Sarah? 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 What's going on out here? Sky? Sky? Hello, Sarah. Sarah. Guys, here's a Sarah take for her food spot now. Every time food dishing, she jump up on here. So she broke body now. She don't want to eat food on the ground. From I move the table from over here so and put it over there, so she don't eat. Oops. She don't eat anything on the ground. I have to put it up there for her to eat it. So she break bad. Break bad, break bad, break bad. Oh, you broke so bad. Sarah. 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 Look here. Sarah. 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 Look here. Look at me. Look at me. Sorry. Sorry, okay? Come here. Come here. Sorry, okay? Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Open. Come here. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Eyes. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Tick. You going outside? Girl? Guys, girl bringing her kids them, you know. She don't want them outside. Look at this. She don't want them outside. But as soon as she want to go out, they fall in front. But she want to go out and leave them in here. So she can go do what she want to do. So she don't have to watch them out there. Leave the door. Leave it. Your mother don't want you out there. Come in. Your mother don't want you out there. Come in. Your mother don't want you out there because she want to do what she want to do out there. She want to go do what she want to do out there. And leave it in here. So blurry. Alright guys, just checking in. I didn't know what video to do and it's been a while I haven't done a video, so I say I'm gonna just log on and do a video. So just me just having a good time with the cats. Hope you enjoy seeing us because it's a minute you haven't seen us. So like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next video. No, you just go outside. I'm not letting you in back. What you think this? What you take this thing for, guys? This cat go out. It's nighttime now. It's nighttime now. She just go out. I hear she calling me there. No, 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 no. Bye, bye.